Hi, I'm Bruce Fredenburg. I'm a licensed marriage, family, and child therapist in Laguna Hills, California. And I'm actually here today to talk about Colonel Dhinsa's Healthworks. It's a health food store in Laguna Hills, Laguna Niguel, right around the border there. And he's the most interesting man. In addition to many things, he's also a homeopath. He studied in India. He also studied through the United Nations in Denmark as well as here in the United States. And the reason that's important is because he really has a wealth of information. And I'd first heard of the Colonel years before I met him, when he had actually saved the life of one of my wife's friends who was dying of leukemia. The doctors had all given up on her. And so when I met him, I was expecting to be impressed, and I was. And so my own personal experience with him has been that in my work as a family therapist, I work a lot with children, and so I get exposed to all the illnesses of the day. And so since I started going to the Colonel, I've managed to avoid the usual host of the ordinary colds and flus and things that are going around. This year, of course, many of us have concern about the new strain of flu that's going around, and sure enough, about a month ago, I was exposed to it twice. And so I immediately went to see the Colonel because I don't like to get sick, but I also don't want to take sickness to the families I work with. So I explained to the Colonel about my dilemma. I'd been exposed to I don't know what numbers they're using, but the swine bird flu that's upon us. And he gave me some homeopathic preventative remedies. And then a number of other people who were exposed to it in the same place did come down with the flu, and I got nothing. So I am very pleased to endorse the Colonel. There's been some other spectacular cases that I'm aware of that people he's helped, and so they would be the subject for another time. But Colonel Dhinsa Healthworks, he's at the corner of La Paz and Pacific Park. I believe that's in the city of Laguna Hills, but it might be Laguna Niguel. It's right on the border. But look him up in our Orange County LaTip. Go see him. He gives consultations. You'll be glad you did. Thank you very much.